English together.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English Together Night Show. Today, we will have an interview with our guest. Listen to the questions and answers to improve English together. What's your name?
My name is Maya.
How old are you?
I'm in my early 20s.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What's your favorite color?
I like the color green.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy painting and writing.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister named Lily.
What's your favorite animal?
Birds, especially hummingbirds.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you wake up?
Around 9 or 10 a.m.
What's your favorite food?
Homemade apple pie.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn is my favorite season.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Up.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
How do you go to university?
I walk to the university.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to a coffee shop.
What's your favorite song?
Imagine by John Lennon.
What's your favorite YouTube channel?
English together.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What do you want to be in the future?
An artist and writer.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like rock music.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
Mickey Mouse.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Thanks for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.